Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 9 SE, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So let's get started by opening up the Contacts application, the standalone version, which can be found in the Google folder, or apparently not. No, okay, it looks like it's located now in the tools, not made by Google, but there it is. So once you open it up, you can see that I already have a bunch of contacts right here. So let's just completely disregard the existence of them, and from here navigate to the three dots and select import and export contacts. And from here you want to import contacts from SIM card. As you can see, you will see all your contacts that are located on the SIM card right over here. And it looks like by default they will be all deselected, so you can either select them all at once with this single button right here, or by yourself clicking on the circle next to it. Now you can also select all of them as an example and deselect contacts that you don't want. That might be easier for you. But anyway, whichever way you go about it, it's completely up to you. Once you have all the contacts that you want selected, click on import. It will begin importing, and as you can see, it only took about a second, and that's it. Contacts have been now imported. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.